Hey everyone, Christy with Anchor Life 5. Thanks for stopping by and joining me for a few minutes today. I have this incredible paper pad that I just picked up from Michael's, Splash of Color by Recollections, that I wanted to share with you all. This is not a hot buy, but it was 40% off. There are 48 sheets, a 12 by 12, and it has got to be one of the brightest, most colorful, just fun paper collections I've seen in a while. So this paper pad has glitter all the way through it. I don't know if you can see this. This right here is all glitter, glitter, glitter right here, and then the rainbows. Oh, I guess I could have been a little more prepared, huh? Alright, so here is the first page. Beautiful rainbows, and inside each of these rainbows is glitter. And you can feel it, it's raised and it's textured. So you're going to get 2 pages of each, it looks like. And these are foiled dots, beautiful rainbow colors. So you've got your rainbow stripes. And this says red, orange, yellow, pink, over and over and over and over and over and over and over. And then, yeah, all the way down. And then look at this one. Look how pretty that is. It is holographic with the hearts. Can you see that? Gorgeous. There are your cut-aparts. Looking through rainbow glasses. Today is your shine. Be kind, stay sunny, everything's going to be okay. Life isn't too short to be colorful. If you have to be anything, be a rainbow. And all of this is glittered. Gorgeous paper pad. And then here you've got your red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, pink, on and on and on and on and on. And this is kind of ombre from red down to orange, kind of like a sunset. And there is your rainbows and your little blue dots. And here is your border page. Stay sunny, and then the colors of the rainbow. This is all glittered right here. Make every day amazing. Add a splash of color. Live in color. Rainbow is the way to go. Live in the dream, or live in the rainbow life. Talk about some 80s right there, right? There's another ombre kind of graph page going from blue to green. And then there is another beautiful holographic page. There's one of my favorites. All of this is glitter. All of the frames of the glasses are glitter. So like basically this whole page. And this is thick cardstock too. It's not thin scrapbook paper. And this has the foiled dots all the way throughout. And there is your next page with the green, blue, violet, and ombre all the way down. Got your graph in the middle, and then your rainbows. There is your clouds that are foiled. There you go, you can see them. There's some more of the journaling cards. Don't be blue, you're good enough, it's true. The grass is greener where you decide it is. Looking through purple lenses. You've got me tickled pink. Stepping things up. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Getting over it. The rainbow. Living this colorful life. I love that saying. Just don't stop shining. Just don't stop shining. And fill your life with color. And then this one says, living life in color, looking through the purple lenses. Be anything, you can be a rainbow. Shine on, living life in color. This day is so bright. Add a splash of color. And just a lot of the same sayings that were on the journaling cards. And here you've got your rainbow, and then you've got all of this is the glitter. And then your you've got your white paper with colorful down here and the rainbow colors, and another holographic foil page. Look at those colors. That is so pretty. And then your last two pages are just the pinstripe rainbows. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. I was just walking around looking for things and came across this paper pad and knew that I had to have it. So I hope that if you are searching for it, that you can find it as well and make some beautiful creations with it. So thanks for stopping by and joining me, and until next time, bye guys.